Good morning student, have a nice day. In my previous video you can learn how to create the simple web page, okay, with the help of HTML. So in this video we will learn children in our web page how to set the background color, okay. So let's start it children. First I am taking the beginner tag, HTML tag, then I will take header tag, okay. After that I am taking the title tag, okay. In title I will write my first page, okay. We will close the title with the slash, okay. After that we will close the header section, okay. Next is body section. We will write here body section. Children, we have to set the background color, so we have to take an background color here also, because in body we have to display the background color. That background color will appear on the display page. So we have write here body, then space, then write here BG color, okay. BG color, COLOR, not color, color, COLOR equals to, in double quotes we have to write any color name. If I am write here yellow, this is my color name. After that close it here, and we will take here H1 for heading, okay. Our heading is computer, COMPUTER, computer. Then H1 is closed because this is our heading. So this is also container tag, that's why we have to taken here H1, okay. After that for heading, display on the web page our heading is computer. After completing that word we have to close H1 with the slash. We have to go in next. What we have to display on the web page? So we have to write here some contents. For example, I write here first BR for break line everyone. After that bold. In bold letter I will write here input devices, okay. I will write here. After completing this line I close the body tag, B for bold, okay. Then we have to take again BR tag, write the next line, okay. We have to set in our background web page, we have to set one by one all lines coming in next line, okay. So we have taken again BR and write here some words. What I am write here? I am write here keyboard, okay. But I am write here in before class, in previous class window we have to write bold for italic, bold for our word is bold letter coming in dark letter. But if we have putting here I for italic, okay. So that word is italic, okay. This is also container tag. So we have to close after completing this word with slash I started, then I is closed after completing this word. After that we have to take again BR tag, but BR tag not closing because this is the empty tag, which is not needed the closing tag. We have to write again italic I. We have to write here mouse, MOUSE, mouse. Then we have to close here I tag, okay. After that children, take again BR tag. We have to write here in bold letter output devices, okay. Then we have to close the B tag with the slash. Then again we have to take in the BR tag for break line. Then we have taken here U for underline. If we have taken these words are underlined, so this was also coming in bold and underline because that word is bold, a dark letter, and underline that word. So we have not putting here. We are putting in here also, okay. Here also we have to write U. Otherwise we have to put in here in our heading H1. We are putting here U. U is underlined. That word is we have to closing here because this is also container. We are opening here H1 U for underline. So our heading is underlined, okay, and coming in with underline. H1 is heading. Then bold letter we have to take in web page bold and underline. That is come after completing this. We have to close the U, then close the H1, then taken the BR tag for going cursor next line. we have to write one topic. B, input device. Input devices in bold letter. Okay, and some input devices are keyboard and mouse, that is display on web pages in italic. Okay, italic. After that, next point we will take on in bold letter output devices, and it is coming also in contains in italic. So we will take, what about the printer? Printer and output devices, printer and monitor. So we will take here the R tag. Okay, and again taking the I tag for italic. So we have to, sorry, here write here printer, PRI. In here write also monitor, monitor. Okay, monitor. After that, completing the I tag. Okay, after completing this line, body is closed, body tag is closed. After that, HTML is closed. Okay, so this is making our simple program. In this program, we have to take the HTML head, title is closed, head is closed, body BG color is background color of web page. After that, H1 we have to display our one topic on the web page. This is an H1. Okay, bigger letter, and U, this word is coming in U letter. One means underline. Okay, after that close the underline, then close the H1 tag, then taking the BR tag. We have taken our point input devices, it is coming in B bold, and next one is BR tag again taken. Then I, that contains keyboard and mouse, coming in italic because we have taken the I container tag, so that is opening and that is with the slash of closing. After that, BR tag, then bold. Next is output devices, B also close with the help of slash. After that, contains of output devices are printer and monitor. We have taken this words also in italic letter. Italic open and with the slash close. After that, body will close, then HTML will close. Okay children. Next and important thing also, we will save our file. Okay, so see everyone, go on in file menu, then save as option. First time we will save, that's why we have to take on the save as option. After that, we will decide where our save our file. So I am decide D drive. Okay, so see D drive, then write the new file name. Before file name is compu, so I am write here new file name. So I am write here harshita.html. Harshita, this is my file name, and .html is our extension HTML programming. So we have to write file name with .html, save, click the save button, it is saved. Okay, so this is coding. In this coding, we have to take the H1, then we have to take the background, we have to take the font formatting, bold, italic, underline also, and we have to save our file in respective place D drive. After that, we will take the Internet Explorer for display our web page. Okay, so go in file, then open, then browse, then D drive. Okay, because my file I am saying in D drive. So Harshita, this is my file name, then open, then OK. So this is display. Okay, background is yellow because I am set yellow color. Then our heading is in underline. Okay, that word is bigger letter, bold letter, because H1 we are using. Next line is bold, and input devices, that contains are coming in italic because we have to put in here I, but we have put in here I. Okay children, so we have to take the this one. Okay, background color, heading, then we have to take the bold, italic, then underline. Okay, font formatting and color also. So everyone enjoy this programming, and listen everyone, one thing also, if you have to change your background color, you have to go in your coding and write where you write color name. You can write in body BG color is yellow. I am write here different color. I am write here red color. Okay, otherwise I am deciding any different color. I am deciding blue color. Okay, I am write here blue color. So I am save again. Only save, not save as. First time is save as. Second time you have to modify any code in any coding. So we have to go in only save button. After that we will go here and we are going in view menu and click the refresh button. So our background is also changed. It is in blue color. Okay. So this is our coding. This is our running window. Okay, and we have to close again and again change. I'm right here again yellow color. One time also same. That is going in view option and refresh. It is coming a new background color. Okay children, have a nice day. Let's enjoy HTML programming. In next my video we will learn next task. Okay, thank you.